The 2024 Subaru Crosstrek 2.0 hybrid, alongside the Subaru Impreza, has undergone rigorous testing to ensure optimal safety. Both vehicles share nearly identical structures, offering comparable protection for occupants and vulnerable road users. In the latest European New Car Assessment Program results, these vehicles delivered impressive performances across several safety categories. The Subaru Crosstrek achieved an 83% score for adult occupant protection. In frontal crash tests, the passenger compartment remained stable, with good or adequate protection provided for the knees and femurs of both the driver and passenger. Lateral impact testing demonstrated strong protection for all critical body areas, scoring the maximum points. However, the rear passenger's chest protection was rated marginal in full-width barrier tests. For child occupant safety, the Crosstrek scored an impressive 90%. Both 6-year-old and 10-year-old crash test dummies were well protected during frontal and side impact tests. Additionally, the vehicle comes equipped with a feature that automatically disables the front passenger airbag when a rearward-facing child seat is detected, ensuring safety for the youngest passengers. When it comes to vulnerable road user protection, the vehicle garnered 84%. It offers strong protection to pedestrians and cyclists, especially in head and pelvis areas. The autonomous emergency braking system works well, detecting and reacting to cyclists and motorcyclists, although it lacks prevention for cyclist dooring incidents. The safety assist systems, scoring 72%, include lane keeping assistance and driver monitoring features, ensuring the vehicle stays on track and alerts the driver in cases of distraction or fatigue. Overall, the 2024 Subaru Crosstrek and Impreza excel in safety, although there are opportunities for improvement in rear passenger protection and cyclist safety in certain situations. Nevertheless, Subaru continues to demonstrate its commitment to driver and passenger well-being.